This morning, we are hearing from the head soccer coach and two players. They're coming off an undefeated season, a first for the team and for head coach Abel Jaramillo and his players. They say this season was more than just about winning. It was about overcoming challenges together.
So this is Aiden and Kevin. This is my 13th year here at Sharpstown International as a head soccer coach. I've known Aiden and Kevin for 6 years. I was their soccer coach, and so I've seen them grow from just a lower level and just to where they're at now. One of the main things that I hold on to and has helped me to generate a successful soccer program is this quote, and I received it as a token of appreciation many years ago. It says, "A good soccer coach can change a game, but a great soccer coach can change a life." And that's impacted my coaching philosophy here because it extends beyond the soccer field, helping these students to become great leaders outside of school, helping them to be sound individuals, and learning how to take a setback or a loss and learn from it and to get better and overcome those obstacles.
For this year, it was a wonderful experience. As to be honest, our last 2 years have been very hard, a lot of hardships, but we've learned to overcome that a lot. And especially coming out triumphant this year has given us this wonderful experience that I can share with my coach and my teammates, especially with my family and our friends that have supported us throughout this year.
This season was probably the best one ever in my high school career. We all overcame our fears through the challenges that we received this whole year with hard work and dedication. And obviously, thanks to Coach, we overcame those obstacles. We came victorious all together. We worked together as a team, and we just gotta keep believing in ourselves.